this is Flare from Dragon Fox Gaming. I have today Twin Blue Chimera's new claws that kind of cap onto the end of your finger, and you'll see in a moment. They just came in, and yeah, I would say I'm quite a fan of Twin Blue Chimera's work. Their head harnesses work great. Their quick claws are amazing. There's a video about the quick claws on my channel. So let's see here. I ordered both the medium and the small. And let's see, what are these actually called? Finger claws. So these are the finger claws. The medium are in the smoky, and the small are in the clear. And I ordered 2 sets. Each set is 5 for each finger. So it looks like I will have to cut these out before trying them on. Really cool. As you can see, they're sized per finger. So those are the clear and the small. And then these are the smoky in the medium. A little bit side to side. And definitely can see a size difference there. And then Twin Blue's card, if you're interested. I had to run and go get some snips. I'm just gonna use these. I've used these on the quick claws to get the runners off and everything, so they'll work for this. So see where this is? And these sometimes need some sanding afterwards in my experience with the quick claws. Let's go around. This is the pinky claw on the clear. Like I said, you can see on the edge how rough that is, and just sanding it down usually takes it. Or you can also do this like if you're doing Gunpla and pop these little nubs off with either your clippers or a knife and then sand it down. But pinky claw, not too bad. I have tiny hands, so this is a small. It's a little big for my hands. Still cool. We'll do one more. Definitely recommend you cut all of them off. And then, here we go. Again. Ring finger. Again, my fingers are small. Good quality. Again, you'll have to sand this or trim the little nubs off. Very cool. I look forward to using these in my project. Thank you for watching.